Today I'm going to show you a couple of different commands, different options you have to shut down or reboot the computer. The main command you really want to use is a shutdown command. So we're going to try that. You can actually type help and see different options for things to use with the shutdown command. So we have halt, power off, and reboot. So the halt just halts the system, and going to try that out. So it issued a going down for power off at 22:13, so that's 1 minute away. So we want to cancel that because we want to try out some of the other commands. So shutdown C, that cancels any scheduled halt or power off or reboot or anything like that. So cancel that. Okay. Now we're going to try a shutdown P. And that schedules another power off at 22:13:49, so it's a few seconds off from before. But we don't want to actually do that yet, so I'm going to cancel that as well. And if you had just left that and not canceled it, it would have shut down the system in 22:14. Or I mean 22:13, sorry. So we also have a shutdown for reboot. So that will shut down the system and then reboot it back up whenever it's scheduled. So you can either type -R or --reboot. Either one works. I'm going to do it the long way since I did the other one just the short way. --reboot. So it's going to reboot the system at 22:14. So we want to cancel that as well though, because I have one more. You don't have to use a shutdown command to reboot the system. You can also use a systemctl command. So I'm going to show you how to use that. Systemctl isolate reboot.target. So when you issue this command, it should immediately reboot the system. So whereas before the shutdown -R or --reboot schedules it for a minute away, you can also specify a certain amount of time you want to have that go, but this will immediately shut down and reboot the system. So we're going to try that out. And there it goes. So this may take a few seconds to boot back up. It's normally a little bit faster, but I'm running a bunch of things in the background, so it might take just a second. And looks like it's pulling up. Any second now. Yeah, there it goes. So now we're back at the OpenSUSE desktop. And we can open up the terminal again. And there we go. We're back where we are. So you could use any of those commands from before to reboot or even just shut down the system.